Welcome back to the Stop Saying series. Today, we're going to stop saying can I all the time. Can I is not wrong, but if you use it in every situation, your English can sound basic or even rude. Today, I'll show you better and more natural alternatives. And before we start, if this lesson helps you, subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Part 1. Why can I is limited. Can I is mainly about ability, not politeness. For example, can I swim? Can I lift this? But many learners use can I when asking for permission. Which is not always natural. Part 2. Use may I for politeness. Instead of, can I ask you a question? Say, may I ask you a question? May I sounds more polite and professional. Especially in formal situations. Part 3. Use could I to sound softer. Instead of, can I sit here? Try, could I sit here? Could I sounds more indirect and respectful. Part 4. Use would it be okay if I? Instead of, can I leave early today? Say, would it be okay if I leave early today? This is perfect for work, interviews, or serious situations. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.